Match day's experience. Rotherham Station.
These toasties are shit.
Today, Wolves away.
What are you thinking for today then?
Huh? What, a salt 600?
600?
Well, actually, 640 I think.
It pay on there?
No, you never do you? Last season and season after we didn't. They don't do it ever.
I think Rotherham fans are going because last two times we've been Australia fans both fucking goals.
Under that ridge.
New York way.
Atlantic Arc is approaching it.
You're happy chapping ticket office, weren't you? Not like it's meant that many tickets, do they? Well, that's what's been at home, isn't it?
Love Unlock. We are making this way to Brotherham Bank for the Birmingham train. So, this way. It's an engine. I'm on the train to Birmingham. I'm on my way to Wolves. Dylan, if you want to look at camera, I've got it on behind me. I can see you. Hi.
You know when it does that crackling noise?
Can't. So, how's the thing so far on train?
Alright.
We're not far from Chesterfield
So
now.
when I get to Derby, I'll go past Derby.
Okay, anyway, on my way to Birmingham. I can't really talk much because Sheffield Wednesday goes from this service to Derby. So I think next football match day we've got to film it passing at completely from Fields. 158's just stopping there. Next vlog, might pass Chesterfield's ground on this camera, and then that's it. So Chester Derby. Yeah, that's it. Oh look, guess where we are? Chesterfield.
You alright?
Yep.
What are you filming on tour for?
This is the football diary.
I see.
Leaving Chesterfield at 10:07. We were a long time in ticket office.
Yeah, we had a lot of tickets to sort out, didn't we?
It'll be interesting, won't it? We've got to get 4 points out of 3 years for real.
What? At home at 12 o'clock against Stoke.
Cardiff have got points. But against MK on I know, you keep telling me that about it.
And I'm like,
Today's match is going to be like.
Look, score prediction.
Yeah.
4-1 Rotherham.
so when you're seeing it, you're right seeing
I'll go.
the other one's reserved for
Oh no.
Dill.
Just
The camera ready because we're going to miss it.
He's already said I've got a point. Give us strike.
At a certain point.
Just a bit down there, and then you can see it. That's over them things.
At a certain point, it's a bit like professional.
I can remember we passing it. Keep it going, Neil.
Tuesday for all. It weren't like there were enough warning, but were it?
Oh.
Wait, you're approaching it, Neil.
He's going anyway, I think.
I can see it, Neil, there. Started because you can see it.
Yep, that's Thomas Crown.
Now around the Birmingham.
That weather's 3 minutes more.
Now, anyway, round at Birmingham safety. Next one, Bucky Pub. You got to push the door through.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Match day experience. What?
I don't like it.
Ah, silly sausage. Order something else next time. You have your McDonald's later anyway. This is the dad's gonna
Oh, that is that. Great price.
goal today.
That's what I mean. You've got it to go on. Then about them a bit further, about 900 quid. I got some buckle mark on you actually goal prediction. Score prediction will be Rotherham to lose 2-1.
No. 28-0.
28-0. We always lose here, don't we? Yeah, usually 28-3.
Both of you are on at the same time.
Very offensive word.
7-0 Jerry H scoring all 7.
You know what? My fingers is going to be 2-0 Rotherham.
Apparently that seatbelt works. He'd be printing on goal. Story of my life.
Now I'm on the way towards
Hello. No, I'm on a train.
We're gonna win 7 to Jerry.
Oh.
To Jerry.
Match day experience is back here. We're in Wolverhampton. Guess where we're going? We're going to the Molineux Stadium. I'm really back at Wolves. The reason, this is my third visit here to the Molineux Stadium. Remember I did a video last season? It was 21 minutes, but the first season I didn't really video. I've deleted it. Because it's horrible now. That's why I'm doing a lot better now. Now we're going to go through Subway. And then, yeah. Steve Bull stand. Back to the walls. Where that orange bit is. You have to go through Subway here to get to the stadium on the road. Quite dark under here actually. You can get it from here or outside way end?
Get from here or here?
Can I get my own?
Yes, of course you can.
I'll get my own, Lee. Get me that £3.
Going to. How much on it?
£3. I'll wait for my own. going to get myself a programme by this master. Can I have one, please? Thank you. Next vlog now. Black at back this season. I'll carry on videoing because I didn't video here last time. Right, next vlog will be inside the stadium now.
Well, if you want to have an episode, we'll come out beside the tissue water or our programme.
Now we're in the ground.
Come, have you got tickets?
There they are, the training kids. Molineux Stadium is the worst in seating. Look at this. Yeah, that for a championship team. I've already said that. 2 years ago, they were Elite One with that big stand. Came here 2 years ago, I was right far over there. Last season, we were about here. Well, about along here, I think. This time, we're on row E. So, yes. Yes, I'm in Wolverhampton Wanderers ground. Where's my seat? It's 46 here. I'm in my seat here. Yes, Molineux Stadium. Been here 3 times now. Still like it. Players come out facing me, that is good. So I'm going to sit down now and wait till it kick off. We're in sun, I'm afraid. So anyway, I'll see when players come out. Peace. As you know, over there they are goalkeepers training, warming up for today's game. The Wolves. And so yeah, so anyway, see you in a bit. Here the players have just come out. About 40 minutes to kick off now. We're going to come here, win it, go home, and that's it for another week. 2 more games after this, I'm done for the season. One more away day to do now, which is Hull. I'll do some more videos in a bit. Right, they're all warming up now. Here's the referees. So it's sunlight here today. That's where players will come out ahead of me about it get there. More warming up. Nearly half an hour to kick off. They're sitting near me because it will hurt my legs if people sit with me now. Might move me, not so sure. But anyway, see you in a bit.
Number 1, Lee Cameron, 27, at Derbyshire, 8, Lee Freckington, 5, the captain, Kurt Broadfoot, 50, Leon Best, 17, Brad Ward, 15, Rick Alford, 12, Steve Kelly, 3, Joe Mazzick, 33, Richie Smallwood, 6, Richard Wood, and their substitutes are 30, Paddy Kenny, 16, Fraser Richardson, 14, Chris Burke, 19, Johnson Clark Harris, 22, Joe Doyle, 26, David Millade, and 11, Paul Green. And now our team, Wolverhampton Wanderers. Number 1, Carla Keamy. 2, Matt Doherty. 4, Dave Edwards. 6, captain Danny Bart. 7, James Henry. 8, George Saville. 10, Joe Mason. 16, Connor Cody. 18, Dominic Olfer. 28, Sylvan Deslandis. And 48, Bright Ennebecar. Our substitutes today are 26, Emmy Martinez. 11, Kevin McDonald. 12, Jen Wallace. 19, Jack Price. 30, Courtney Hawes. 35, Connor Hunt. And 39, Aaron Collins. Now, news from ticket office, and last away again is Nottingham Forest, has now sold out. Coach travelling departs Molineux, and that is priced at £16 for adults and concessions. Our last home match of the season is our game against Sheffield Wednesday on Saturday the 7th of May. That's a 12:30 kick-off, and away supporters will be located in the Steeple Staff Squadron. If you look for more information, it's all good, okay, as ever. Look at the box office door, 0871 302 1877.
No, nah, because they've took on it back for goal. If someone comes up, I'll let you know.
Well, it's the person missing, I think, could be Andy and Nappy because they can't get back from Holland.
I'm not going to get a slap with Chris.
Coming up to half time here at the Molineux Stadium. 0-0 at half time is going to be. And been a quite good half. Didn't score, but Alice was just good for 1-0 win full time. So next week we're home to Blackburn, and then 2 weeks today we are away at Hull, and then done for me for the season to August. Right now, turn the camera round till the whistle goes. That's it, half time begins. Dan, that's going to be the end of the 3-0 games, 0-0 this. From these two. Oh God! Woo! We have been confident. We are stopping up. 85 minutes. Middlesbrough had nothing after. Middlesbrough had nothing after. Unbeaten. Well, thank you very much, Wolves. I'll see you outside. Okay, home for Birmingham we want to go. 7 o'clock. That's the one part. That's delivery side. Come on, open it.
Yeah, what does it go?
Going up. Floor clear. Doors open. Going up. Please mind the door.
Right, time to end the match day experience video. Oh, wait a minute. Right, time to end the match day experience video. Today's been a fantastic day.
Staying up, so
staying up.
we are staying up. Neil Warnock is a red. It's a red. It's a red. Neil Warnock is a red. It's Wednesday.
1. Floor 0.
Right. Open up. Open up.
Doors
Oh, that was close. This way. I'm sorry. Right. Match day was good today. And yeah, so next Saturday, Rotherham against Blackburn game at the New York Stadium. So then, thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye for now.